Hi guys, let's pack a Christmas Eve hamper with me. Main gift obviously उनको कल सुबह मिलेगा, but I got like really cute things for Christmas Eve hamper, so I thought I should share it with you. The first thing is matching pajamas. कि मेरे के लिए एक है और मेरे के लिए एक है. Next I've got these very cute tote canvas bags for both of them. The second gift is this Rudolph clip. So it goes like this. It's very cute. Another thing is fuzzy socks. A Christmas Eve hamper can never be complete without fuzzy socks. I got these two. The next thing is this diary. So I got this very nice, beautiful diary for Kimira and this little one for Myra because how can I forget her? The next item is again another very cute clip. As you can see, like आप ponytail वगैरह बनाते हो Christmas में तो बहुत cute लगेगी. The next thing is a set of ब्रेसलेट्स. ये मैंने DIY से लिए थे, बहुत ही क्यूट है. एक में ना आइसक्रीम बनी हुई है और एक में कैंडी है. अनदर थिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफरेंट क्लिप जो मुझे मिला. ये देखिए, ये ऐसा है थिंग. आर दीज वेरी क्यूट क्लच क्लिप्स. दो सेट लिए मैंने इसके लिए. These are all the tiny gifts that I got for my kids Christmas hamper. It's just a start of Christmas. It's a token of love and appreciation, and it just brings so much joy and happiness on my kids' face, and I just love it. I hope you have liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all of you.